Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. This is Natalia, and in this episode I want to share with you how to saute potato and chicken. Every Ukrainian, I believe, ate this food. So let's get started. So first we're gonna slice the chicken, jalapeno, onion and garlic. In a pan, add olive oil, and we're gonna saute a chicken with vegetables, all these vegetables, seasoned with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and we're gonna saute until it's all cooked, fully cooked. So here I got the potatoes. I'm just gonna kind of cube them. Add into a pan with the olive oil, separate pan from the chicken, add chopped onion, garlic, seasoned with salt, and saute until it's fully cooked. Sprinkle with freshly ground black pepper. Also, I'm gonna add a cucumber and tomato to this meal, and I'm gonna get the water with lemon and enjoy my meal. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave me a comment below if you ate this meal, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.